The Indian youth today is highly agitated by the growing unemployment in the past 6 years. Unemployment rate has risen to a 45-year high. The ill-conceived economic policies, coupled with the ill management of COVID-19 and followed by the unplanned lockdown by the Modi government, has only worsened this problem, leading to over 12 crore job losses during COVID time. There are lakhs of central government vacancies in different departments, but unfortunately, the Modi government is sitting on these vacancies. India today has over 30 crore unemployed people. Sadly, the union government is not willing to act on this or even acknowledge this as a problem our country is facing. The increasing number of suicides among young people is a dangerous sign. Every state in India has millions of educated and skillful young people looking for fair employment opportunities. Is it too much to ask of a government in a democracy? The growing cases of drugs, crimes, and hateful face-off among youngsters cannot be disassociated with this particular problem. The Indian Youth Congress has decided enough is enough and has decided to raise this issue with all its might. With the tagline Rozgar Do, Aaj Do, Abhi Do, it will be doing a series of protests and events in all assemblies and districts across states to awaken the sleeping Modi government. The Indian government needs to realize it should start providing job opportunities to the youth of our country, because once the youth of any country gets angry, nobody can silence the power of the youth.